The wind howled outside the old, creaky house as a relentless storm battered the windows. Emma, a young woman in her 20s, shivered as she paced nervously in the dimly lit living room. She had recently moved into the house, attracted by its old-world charm, but tonight, an uneasy feeling lingered in the air. Ignoring the drafts and mysterious sounds, Emma decided to explore the house, determined to uncover the source of her discomfort. As she wandered through the narrow hallways, she stumbled upon a door she hadn't noticed before. It creaked open reluctantly, revealing a staircase leading down into darkness. Curiosity overcame her, and Emma descended into the abyss. The air grew colder with each step, sending shivers down her spine. At the bottom, she found herself in a small, musty room. It was unnaturally cold, and her breath formed visible puffs in the air. Against one wall stood an ancient wardrobe, its wooden doors slightly ajar. Emma approached cautiously, feeling a sense of foreboding. As she opened the doors, a gust of icy air rushed out, causing her to shudder. Inside, she discovered a collection of old, tattered clothes, frozen in time. Confused and unnerved, Emma backed away from the wardrobe when a whisper echoed through the room. "Help me!" The voice was faint, almost drowned by the storm outside. She spun around, scanning the room, but saw no one. Determined to unravel the mystery, Emma followed the haunting plea, which seemed to lead her to a hidden trapdoor in the corner. Hesitating for a moment, she gathered her courage and lifted the door, revealing a pitch-black tunnel below. The voice beckoned her forward, and against her better judgment, Emma descended into the frigid darkness. The tunnel seemed endless, twisting and turning until she emerged in a subterranean chamber filled with frozen air and chilling whispers. In the center of the room, she saw a figure huddled against the cold. It was a ghostly apparition, its features obscured by the frosty mist. The voice, now clearer, pleaded, "Release me from this cold prison." Emma, trembling, realized that the ghost was trapped in a perpetual state of freezing torment. Determined to help, she searched the room until she found an ancient, dusty book. The pages revealed a tragic tale of a young woman who had been accused of witchcraft and banished to this subterranean prison. The ritual to free the tormented soul was complex, requiring Emma to gather rare ingredients scattered throughout the house. As she moved from room to room, the atmosphere grew increasingly oppressive, and the temperature continued to drop. Finally, with all the elements in hand, Emma returned to the cold room. The ghostly figure materialized before her, and together they performed the ritual. A blinding light enveloped the chamber, and the temperature began to rise. As the light faded, Emma found herself alone in the room, the icy air replaced by a gentle warmth. The ghostly figure, now free, thanked her before dissipating into the ether. The storm outside had subsided, and the house felt lighter, as if a weight had been lifted. Emma, though relieved, couldn't shake the eerie feeling that lingered. The house had many secrets, and as she gazed at the now closed trapdoor, she wondered if there were more spirits waiting to be set free from their frigid prisons.